Sea squirts, sea pork, sea lilies. These odd-looking, tube-like creatures that sit affixed to the seafloor are actually ancient relatives of humans and other chordates called Ascidians. Also known as Eurochordates or Tunicates, often bright in color, these marine invertebrates are benthic filter feeders that play an important role in our seas and modern medicine. The most common tunicates are named sea squirts because when touched or alarmed, their muscles contract, causing water within the animal to shoot out. Or tunicates, the little jackets or tunics they like to wear. It belongs to the phylum Chordata, and although it may not look like it, they are an ancient link to modern vertebrates. This link lies in the notochord that Ascidians possess in their larval stage. They are seen as the evolutionary link between invertebrates and chordates. As the tunicate matures, it loses its notochord and turns into a stationary filter-feeding bag-like organism with two siphons covered in what's called a tunic, a tough outer layer made from cellulose, proteins, and calcium salts. These organisms are found in shallow marine environments, anywhere they can attach, rocky intertidal zones, coral, algae, or even the bottom of boats. There are solitary sea squirts and colonial. Solitary tunicates have two siphons, an oral siphon to bring water in and an atrial siphon to excrete substances. With beating flagella, they bring water and phytoplankton into their pharynx, move it into their stomach where enzymes digest the particulate matter, and then ultimately waste is excreted from the atrial siphon. Ascidians have the incredible ability to reverse the beat of their heart. Why exactly is not fully understood. In colonial squirts, each zooid has its own oral siphon, but they all share one atrial siphon. There are over 3,000 species of tunicates, and around 40 of them call the Bay Area home. Some that are common to the Bay are the sea pork, the long-stalked sea squirt, or sea tulip, and one of the few non-sessile species, the chain tunicate, Botuloides violaceus. But there are a few that are invasive and harmful, species such as Didemnum vexillum, which outcompetes native organisms, causing ecosystem imbalance. While there are some native sea squirts, there's a large problem worldwide with the invasive sea squirts hitchhiking into foreign harbors on the hull of ships. They have the potential to cause significant economic damage to fisheries and aquaculture, outcompeting native organisms. Marine biologists have discovered 3 new non-native species in San Francisco Bay within the last 10 years. Mulgulophycus, Stiella canopus, and Microcosmus squamager. These strange-looking creatures are enjoyed as cuisine in many cultures. They are also studied because of their sessile, non-discriminatory, filter-feeding nature, which makes them strong indicators of local pollution levels. We have also found use of these microorganisms as cancer-fighting agents. Ascidians possess metabolites, which have a toxic effect on cancer cells. These metabolites are thought to be the product of the symbiotic relationship between the tunicate and a variety of other obligate symbiotic microorganisms, such as bacteria and microalgae. These toxins can have a wide range of mechanisms to affect apoptosis or damage to the cancer cells, and have been found to be effective on types of cancers that are difficult to treat with traditional chemotherapies. Cancer treatments made with tunicate extracts are already commercially available. Within Chordata, tunicates occupy a phylogenetic position as a sister group to vertebrates, and this close relationship makes them a fascinating creature in biomedical research. Here's to you, sea squirts.